We're past that mark, so here we go. Here we go. Good luck. This is 2023 Bowman. It's a 4-box break, random team style number 2, half case break. Trades are now closed. Here are your teams. Larry has the Phillies and the Reds. Kamer with the Mets, DJ Pod with the Marlins, Yofis, Tigers, SM Connery, Yankees, M. Weedle, White Sox, SX Philly, Giants. A's Nats spot goes to DJ Pod. Real Quiet, Rays, M. Mike T. Wino, Mariners, Galapools, Guardians, Batchy with the Jays, Sean Riley Murphy, Rockies, Angels, Redonics, Nicholas, Twins, Dodgers, S. Decker, Orioles, A152. Cubs, Mr. Dr. Pepper. Rangers, Larry, M. Lindsay, Royals, Brewers, XX Philly, Galapools, Astros. Ryan has the Pirates, Diamondbacks, TML, E-Clay, Red Sox, Padres, Rymac, and the Braves Cardinals goes to H. Mong. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. We've got break number 3 up after this. Let me also get some... All right, here we go. It's getting toasty. Dude, I thought this was going to be a 7-game series. That would be close. Teams are really... I mean, Cleveland's a... Yeah. I just thought... Yeah, Cleveland's a better team, I thought, but playoff Brunson showed up. The fact that it might be Heat Knicks in the next round is wild.
I'm so excited.
That is wild. Yeah, these... It's very weird what's happening there. I know they had a... They slowed down considerably in the second half, but that's a lot of talent. And they're also really young. That would be so funny. All right, here we go. Number 1, box number 1. All right, we got Bowman break number 3 after this one, guys, and that'll be a wrap for the day here. We'll have some more on Mojo Break Baseball Friday, as well as personal boxes as well on Mojo Break Media. We'll do a media baseball simulcast on Friday. All right, here we go. Box number 1 of 4. Good luck, everyone. Let's do it. Drew Jones Spotlight. First one I've seen of Drew Jones, the Spotlight. These are, there we go. Nice one. Okay, all cards shipped, guys. All cards shipping. Cam Collier, paper first. Justin Crawford, paper first there. Kenny Gomez, first Bowman, paper number to 299. Kenny Gomez. Justin Crawford, first Bowman, chrome. Masa Yoshida. First auto is going to the Seattle Mariners. Michael Arroyo. Number to 499. Shortstop for the Mariners. Congrats, Ems. Shortstop. I call him short stuff. How tall is he? 5'10". It's not that short. That's average height for a male. Not just a little above it. Corbin Carroll, base rookie. Adley. Drew, paper, base, first Bowman. Let's get some heat. Kodai. Hector Rodriguez, 30 out of 125. Parallel, little moon parallel, I guess. I don't know what they're calling it, but it looks like it's on the moon. Nice spotlight. Rookie of Corbin Carroll. Nice one there. Luis Garcia, first Bowman, parallel. Next auto, my guy. White Sparkle, number to 299. Kyle Harrison auto. Going to the Giants. Congrats, Gigantes. The 2026 NL Cy Young Award winner, Kyle Harrison. And you got him now. Giants on the board. Congratulations, Giants. SX getting the White Sparkle, 299. Kyle Harrison auto. Very nice. Got one more auto in box number 1 here. Jacob Berry paper. Spencer Jones paper. Nice rookie. Number to 399, Francisco Alvarez for the Mets. Congrats, Mets. 327 out of 399 paper parallel Francisco Alvarez rookie. Alvarez Rookie of the Year finalist. Averson Arteaga. Good box for the Giants, number to 199. Averson Arteaga. Tristan Casas. Blaine Krim. Blaine Krim. First baseman for the Texas Rangers. First Bowman auto. Non-numbered going to Texas. Larry getting that one. Congrats. And that does it for box number 1. On to box 2. All right, we got box 2 of 4 here in break number 2. Michael Harris, Spotlight rookie. Very nice. Going to the Braves. Congrats. Shea Langoliers. Eric Brown Jr., number to 299, prospect for the Milwaukee Brewers. Masa Yoshida. Corbin Carroll, rookie. Senga. Julio Rodriguez, number to 499. Nice one there. And we got an auto. Angel. Is it Janau? Angel Janau. First Bowman auto for the Cleveland Guardians. Non-numbered. Cleveland on the board with the first auto out of box number 2. Gallipools getting that one. There's Justin Crawford paper. There's a Jacob Berry first Bowman chrome. Nice for the Marlins. Corbin Carroll, Rookie of the Year favorites. Cam Collier paper. And a number to 199, William Bergola, prospect, chrome. Going to the Phillies. Michael Bush. Go to Senga. Brett Beatty. Purple Wave, number to 250. That is Alex Sanchez, first Bowman for the Mariners. Nice one there for the Mariners. Chrome Purple Wave. Oh, my dude. The Merv, number to 499. Matt Mervis, first Bowman auto going to the Cubs. 88 out of 499. Cubbies on the board. Mr. Dr. Pepper getting Matt Mervis. I mean, look at that. 36 bonds, 119 ribbies, 605 slugging. I don't care how old he is. Stud. What's up? Another one? Hey, I got my guy Matt Mervis over here, so I'm not complaining. Congrats, Cubs. Nice hit. Spotlight. That is Roderick Arias. Spotlight insert. Drew Jones, prospect. Josue. Luis Lara. Parallel. Non-numbered. What's up?
Collier or Collier?
I haven't hit Cam Collier yet, no.
No.
I know Greg did, I think. Oh, no, C-Rad did.
I don't think he did. Somebody's accident his chat. Was it him?
Oh, nope, I didn't hit it. Josh Hood is the last auto. Number to 250. Nice one there for the Mariners. Josh Hood, purple auto, going out to Seattle. Mike on the board. Auto bad box for box number 2. See if we get any color to wrap it up. And again, guys, if you haven't already, subscribe to Mojo Break Baseball. This will be the place to be for baseball breaks, whether we're simulcasting them, doing them right here on this channel, whatever it may be. This is your home for baseball now with Mojo Break. Last few cards from box number 2. There's a Drew Jones. Base chrome to wrap up box 2. On to box 3. Oops. All right. Box 3 out of this 4-box break. We got one more 4-box break coming up shortly. And heads up, if you guys are thinking about getting another break, all breaks here on Mojo Break Baseball are sold out for the rest of the night. Once we are off air, we are still going live over on the main feed. So go hang out over there. It's more Bowman. All Bowman all the time here at Mojo Break today. All right, we got box 3. Something good. Something good. Here we go. Lazaro Montez spotlight insert. To Spencer Jones, chrome, first Bowman. That is a number to 125. Sights on September. Parallel, Andy Pages of the Dodgers. Nice one there. For the Dodgers, nice parallel. Corbin Carroll, insert. And a Jace Bowen, first Bowman paper, number to 399 for the Buccos, Pittsburgh. He's poking the bear. Poking the bear. Oh my god, dude. Drew Jones, paper, first Bowman. Still waiting on that first auto. There it is. Here it comes. Looks like A's. Colin Palouse, Atomic, number to 100. First Bowman auto. Colin Palouse. The Oakland Athletics on the board. There we go. A's, congrats. Yeah, the A's combo spot. DJ Pod, congrats. There's a Cam Collier chrome base. First Bowman, we got some color. Roman Anthony. First Bowman, number to 250, the Purple Wave. Roman Anthony. There we go. Put a little zhuzh on it. There's Kodai Senga. Corbin Carroll base, rookie. Colton Cowser. I saw an auto coming up here shortly. First of all, there's Tamar Johnson. Spotlight, Pirates. Miguel Bleis, Red Sox. Non-numbered. Angels on the board. Nelson Rada, number to 499. First Bowman auto, Nelson Rada, outfielder for the Halos. Congrats, Angels. Radonix, getting that one. We got some sparkle coming up here shortly. Sam Zavala. What do we got? Braylon Bishop, and it's a first Bowman. Number to 299. White sparkle action for the Pirates. Congrats. Oops. All right, I think the last auto from this box is coming up right now, and it's for the Padres. Nick Vogt. Base auto of Nick Vogt. First Bowman for the Pods. Rymack. Getting that one. Last few cards from box number 3. Box 4. To wrap it up on its way. Here we go. Good luck. Final box of this break. Break 3. 4-box break 3 coming up shortly. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. Oh, okay. Again, all cards will ship here, guys. All cards will ship. Break 3 is going to be coming up here right after this box. This is still the, we are still on break number 2. This is the final box of this break. And again, subscribe to Mojo Break Baseball, guys, if you haven't already. We'll be live again in a few days. We'll have more Mojo Break Baseball. We'll probably be simulcasting like we are right now on Mojo Break Media. If you're over on Media and you've been trying to talk to me, come over to Mojo Break Baseball. I'm over here. What's up? I'm here, there, and everywhere. Final box. Here we go. Good luck. Big money, no whammies. Let's do it. Ellie De La Cruz spotlight. There's Cam Collier paper. Justin Crawford paper. Justin Crawford chrome. There we go. Carl's kid. Carl Crawford, who more notable for not non-baseball stuff, I feel like, lately. If I'm not mistaken, he was discovered Megan the Stallion? I could be wrong. Number to 125, that's Adley Rushman. It was like a whole legal battle or something. Nice one. Number to 125. So these are numbered. Spotlight rookie Adley. Very nice. Congrats to the Orioles. Nice hit. O's. So there is a chance for supers of those. Can't wait to see what that looks like. If and when we hit one. Jace Bowen. Another paper Jace Bowen. I think we hit the same exact card. One of the last boxes. Oh, this is the guy Joe was talking about all day yesterday. Josue De Paula, first Bowman auto for the Dodgers. They're calling him Little Jordan. Which, hey, you know what? They traded Jordan, so they're going to need to make up for it. Josue De Paula, first Bowman base auto going to the Dodgers. Congrats, S. Decker. Nice one there. Nice hit. Josue. Very nice. Congrats. There's a Drew Jones paper. Number to 499, Anthony Gutierrez. Prospect card. Prospect refractor. For the Rangers. Gunner. All right. Almost there. Last stack here from break number 2. Break number 3 coming up right after this. Spotlight, Anthony Gutierrez. Lionel James, first Bowman Chrome Parallel for the Red Sox. Second auto is a number to 75, Luis Garcia, first Bowman for the Toronto Blue Jays. Congrats, Jays. 60 of 75, yellow for the Blue Jays. Jacob Berry, Spencer Jones, first Bowman papers. Looking for auto number 3, final auto of the break coming up here soon. Number to 125, Averson Arteaga. Little moon variation, I guess. That's what I'm calling it. Don't know the exact names. Invicta, Ricardo Cabrera going to the Reds. First Invicta of the break. You're looking at 2 per case. Might be a little less than usual. Matt Mervis, Chrome, first Bowman. Khalil Watson, prospect.
Where did we leave Bowman Chrome? I found all of them. But the ones that are changing. I found increments of 10 to 50.
Cam Collier, first Bowman Chrome.
I went all the way through until we got like did you everything I've received and everything that
The final auto should be coming up right now. Yes, there it is. All right, who do we got? Matthew Wood, number to 299, a little sparkle. First Bowman auto, Matthew Wood for the Milwaukee Brewers. Brew Crew, the last team to get an auto in this break. SX Philly getting that one. Congrats. Last few cards from this box. And that will do it. All right, quick recap of the autos, and then we move on to break number 3. Half case break number 3. Matthew Wood, Sparkle, first Bowman for the Brewers. Number /75, Luis Garcia for the Blue Jays. Base, first Bowman, Josue De Paula for the Dodgers. Nick Vogt, base for the Padres. Number /499, Nelson Rada for the Angels. Atomic, number /100, Colin Palouse, first Bowman for the A's. Number /250, Josh Hood, purple for the Mariners. Number /499, first Bowman, Matt Mervis for the Cubbies. Angel Janao, base first Bowman auto. Blaine Krim, base first Bowman auto. First one was for the Guardians, that one for the Rangers. White Sparkle, number /299, Kyle Harrison for the Giants. And a Michael Arroyo, number /199, another one for the Mariners. All right, last break here on Mojo Break Baseball of the day coming up. Another half case break. This one, number 3, coming up shortly.